Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add transparent watermark in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file, so my PDF file, and click this tools option. Here we will find this edit PDF option, click here and click this watermark option and click here add watermark and type here your watermark name. And this is, you can change watermark font size, increase. This is also, you can change font style. This is, and also you can align your watermark here, and here you can change your watermark color. Also you can rotate. I rotate this watermark, and here you will find this opacity option and change your watermark opacity. That's mean transparent. I'll choose here 46. This is, and click this page range option. Here you can apply all of this page or a specific pages. Type a specific pages. I will apply all of these pages here. Now click OK. You can apply here appear behind the page or appear on the top of the pages. And finally click OK. This and click close. And all of this watermark already apply whole document. And finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.